Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. My name is Jamie and this is the Redmi Book. It's aimed towards young professionals, students, or anyone on a budget because this laptop that you see on the desk right here is only 35,999 pesos. Now let's unpack it and see what it can do. Now let's kick things off with the design, which is rather plain, but if you want it to stand out a bit more, you can add some stickers to give it more personality. Now it is made out of plastic and that shouldn't be a surprise given its price point, so you can expect a bit of flex on the lid, but it's nothing too troubling. The good thing about its construction though is that it's very light, so it's perfect for taking this around with you for work or for classes. It's also quite thin, but it has a good selection of ports, but to manage your expectations though, there are no USB-C ports inside. Of course, we also have to talk about the screen. And if I were to describe it in one word, it would be basic. And by that, I mean it gets the job done and should be good enough for productivity since it isn't the most color accurate display we've seen and it doesn't have the greatest viewing angles either. You can still enjoy watching videos on this laptop, but I really do want to manage your expectations. It is a decently sized display at 15.6 inches, full HD resolution with inoffensive bezels as well. Now let's move on to the keyboard, so let me pass you over to Anton, who has more experience than I do in this department.
Okay, so in terms of the keyboard typing experience, it's a very basic experience. Wala tayong backlight, wala tayong number pad. So if those are the specific things you're looking for in a laptop, then this might not be the way to go. But when you do use this in a classroom setting, or if you're taking a lot of notes or writing a lot, the feedback is quite nice. The typing experience isn't all too bad at all. So, yeah.
Alright, so let's talk about the internals of this notebook. Under the hood of this version of the Redmi Book 15 is an 11th gen Intel Core i5 processor that's paired with 8GB of RAM and a 512GB NVMe SSD. So this doesn't have the latest 12th gen Intel Core processors on board, but again, this is about getting the job done and it can definitely do that. But personally, I would love to see this with a bit more RAM. But just to stress it further, this laptop is aimed for those who are looking to get their money's worth if productivity is going to be the main use for it, so this setup should be more than enough. Now, one question that you might be asking is how is its battery life? Now, this actually lasted almost 5 hours on our YouTube loop test, which means that if you're planning to take this around for meetings or if you have face-to-face classes right now, this should be able to last the entire day. So what is the bottom line when it comes to the Redmi Book? I've mentioned the word basic a couple of times in this video, and by that we mean that it has all the essentials that you need in terms of productivity. Now at this price point, there are a couple of contenders that you might be looking at, but this should definitely make it on your shortlist. Just remember guys, manage your expectations. This is a productivity-focused notebook, not a gaming laptop, so there you go. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for the Redmi Book. Again, this is priced at 35,999 pesos. There is, of course, an i3 model for 25,000 pesos. I'll leave all the links that you need to know down below. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, sub to the channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll try my best to get to them as soon as I can. For all the latest in tech, head to Unbox.ph and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and on TikTok. Again, my name is Jamie. Peace, God bless. See you guys next time. And again, stay safe, may COVID ba.